All right, son. It's great to have you here with me. I'm glad I got you in a Staten Island Community College. It was a beautiful thing. Your father loves you. Never lose sight of that. And I really care about you and getting right and meeting Julio and doing all the neat things you need to do. And that's why I'm bringing you here, where it all started. I used to come here as a young kid, back when they didn't let Moulignans in, and you could drink all the beer you wanted in a glass bottle, and if a motherfucker talked funny to your wife, you could slash him across the face. And you know what they would do? They would fucking laugh. And the 7th inning stretch was just a fucking shot of J-Mo with the god Mickey Mantle. Those were the days. Now we got a bunch of fucking Dominicans and fucking Moulignans and shit like that. But, it's still the thought that counts. It's the team. So that's why there's no names on the goddamn jersey. Isn't that right, son? Oh, fuck, Dad. I didn't even know he dragged me out of the basement. My fucking guts hurt. Fuck. What is this, bonding? I want to bother my works, bro. Give me my fucking works. You got my works on you, bro? No, son. No. As I say when I stop and frisk poor unsuspecting people of color, do you have anything sharp? Do you have anything that's going to stick me? So I would not travel with that type of equipment. I apologize. All right? Just turn the beer bottle cap sideways and stab yourself in the arm, you jerk off. Here we go. Hey, first pitch. Let's go. Hey, Maron, let's go. Yay. All right. Hey, pal. Hey, Terrell, Tyrone, whatever your name is, Jamal, Jamel. Hey, listen here. Hey, toss me a bag of nuts. Hey, toss me a bag of nuts. You fucking, what? And let me get a couple beers. Oh, there's a limit. Well, go fuck yourself. You know what I mean? I'm out of here. Fuck this shit. I'm a Mets fan now. Do the fucking drop. I'm going to Citi Field, have some Shake Shack.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 153.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys in the building. Live from Milk Studios, sponsored by Cash App.
Yeah.
Happy opening day, ball bags.
You know what I'm saying? We started it with what?
A win. You know what it is.
Nigga.
A win.
The Yankees is always on top of the fucking league, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
You know who didn't win?
Should I guess? Can I get some guesses? I don't know.
Just
You know what I'm saying?
waking up and just Bill Simmons looking in the mirror like, just end it.
Wow.
Can't do 162 games of this.
But we have the highest payroll in baseball. How's this happening?
Sad.
Oh my God.
That's right.
Fuck out
Red Sox
lost. So got dicks. He blanked them.
I just want to point out though that the Red Sox lost opening day last year and won the whole thing. So,
but fuck it. You know
fuck it. But it's a new energy to the Yankees.
That's right.
They're young. I feel like this is the year. 28.
That's right.
Ooh, 28 rings would be great for the culture. Because you understand how much dickheads we would be. Our show would just be a half an hour of just Yankee clips.
That's it. Yankee highlights.
That's all it is.
Of games that mean nothing.
Just us watching Luke Voigt eat sunflower seeds, crack it up.
It's interleague play. The Mets are 38 games under 500, and they're facing the Yankees, who have somehow 289 wins.
Well, your boy Robinson Cano, he homered yesterday.
Shout out to him.
Because he's back in Queen.
You know back in New York.
Back in New York.
Yeah, kind of.
Near Uptown. Back on the hookah.
No Queenslander. Shout out to Queens on the mall. You know what I'm saying?
No Queenslander. Everyone loves Queens. Shout out to Cop Killer Queens.
You know what I'm saying?
We're no longer allowed to call it that. You know, that name is no longer PC.
A little problematic.
But, shout out to Jamaica. Shout out to Guy R. Brewer.
You know what I'm saying?
The Van Wyck. Constant traffic. You know what it is. Shout out to the Air Train.
Shout out to 152. Nigga Franny Lou. What?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? What? Left rag is high rag. It's really not at all.
Well, back in the day, it probably was.
I mean,
but
probably less sand.
Yeah. Well, Nori has never been to Iraq, so
he's going by frame of reference.
He's going by. No, he was going by.
Imagine Nori reading the National Geographic, nigga reading about Iraq, like, oh, sand dudes. Oh wow.
Then he just turns to the picture of the African people with the titties out, like,
yo, niggas got titties. Wow.
Look at the jugs. Look at the jugs.
Oh shit, look at the jugs, nigga. What? Yeah, I'm gonna fill a jug full of mud, nigga. What?
Do you remember? Didn't 50 Cent have a game called Blood in the Sand?
Yes, he did.
Yeah.
He did. It was literally just a third-person shooter with 50 and 28 on Lloyd Banks.
Why can't we make that?
Okay, why is that not the most popping video game ever, bro?
Let's remake Contra.
Like with just us two, just
us two, mad muscled,
mad brolic with tank tops on, just shooting
big old
shit
guns.
Spread shot, nigga, just shooting 3 tennis balls at the same time.
Those guns made no sense.
None.
There was too much chance for a friendly fire.
You know what I'm saying?
We have no fucking space suits on, and we're fighting aliens.
And aliens in outer space who do have space suits, by the way, to protect them. I don't understand. The laser was just like a big ass red crayon that came out of your gun and killed everything in sight.
And they were just like, yo, here's 30 lives. If you got to give someone 30 lives, your game is too fucking hard.
Oh, fam.
Right?
Come on. The end level, nigga, where you just be shooting the heart, you're like, I got this nigga. And then, man, spiders start coming out the shit. Like, come on, man.
They used to, was that Capcom or who? Temco?
Konami.
Because that, Gradius, like, all those games were dumb. Like, they start easy and then they get stupid hard.
They literally get impossible.
And now, like, I go back and play them now, and I'm like, yo, I can't do this as an adult.
Like,
what was Young Jesus doing?
You feel me? Like, fam. There's games that, like, I feel like they were just, like, got lazy towards the end and they were like, yo, we don't got to end into this shit, so just make level 8 dumb hard and impossible.
I think that was with Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, because remember, like, a lot of people never went past when you get to Vegas and flight school, and then the game basically resets and you have to go back to his home, but it's like a riot and cars are like blowing up and all this stuff. You can see it's like it seems like a programming glitch, and like the storyline just went nowhere. But I fucked with it.
I was
like, go, this is what we doing now?
Yeah, right. Fuck it. I guess it is what it is. It is what it is. I was gonna come back and blow up cars anyway. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, that's what you. No one was really playing Grand Theft Auto for the story.
No.
You were just playing that shit to run niggas over real quick after a bad day of work.
Carjack niggas and shit.
Shoot up the block, chase a pedestrian for 5 blocks and punch them in the back of their head.
You see like 3 niggas having fun talking and shit. You just come out of nowhere like, bah, 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 bah. What up? Fuck your day, nigga. Niggas start scattering.
The worst is when you purposely are like playing the game waiting for the cops. Like, yeah. What's up?
Yeah, nigga.
What's up?
I'm gonna steal this car right here in front of you. What's up?
I don't give a shit.
I don't give a fuck.
Or you go punch a cop in the game?
Word? Yeah, nigga just standing there like on the corner, like directing traffic. You're like, hold that. You fucking
get the lights. The problem with Grand Theft Auto is like every now when you get actually pulled over by the cops, you be like, I could.
I mean, I could pull over.
How fast is this car?
You know what I'm saying?
Then you remember you like in the Camry and shit.
The best shit to do though is to let them pull you over and try to get you out the whip, and then just gun it as soon as they try to open the door, and just drag the nigga for like 8 blocks, and he falls off.
In the game. All right.
Do not try to have an actual traffic stop.
Nothing but respect for our first responders.
That's right.
Blue Lives Matter. I wish people would stop resisting arrest.
Please stop.
You know
what I'm saying? Listen, also, reaching in your pocket for ID is a form of resisting. So just like, I don't know, be like, yo, it's in my pocket. Can you
I've never reached about, like, literally cops would get annoyed when they stopped the frisbee because I'm doing some scarecrow shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm not moving. Yeah, you going in the pockets, my guy. Like, I'm not trying to get...
You Medusa me, my nigga. Like, it's quiet.
I'm possum now. I'm like,
oop. Yeah, like,
playing dead.
No. You want to find that tray bag in my butt, nigga? You have to go get it.
Nigga just in the holding cell and the corners are getting pointy. Like,
Ooh, damn, this nigga really have to staple this shit? Damn, I thought we was peoples.
When I'm going to see the judge.
Shout out to all the niggas hitting you with packs and they staple the bags or they burn them. It's like, bro, you really don't fuck with me, nigga. Like you have zero trust in me.
Wow. I mean, get a vacuum sealer, guys.
You know what I'm saying? Come on. It's 2019, bro. You don't got to sit there with a lighter all night.
How come no one set up a big drug distribution network using drones yet?
That is a great question.
Yeah.
I mean, like,
if my weed guy, like, I know you listen, get some drones. You don't have to drive out.
Yeah, fam. Come on, B. You know what I'm saying?
And they can't track it back to you. Like, they drone technology, unless you write your phone number or some shit.
Or some dumb shit. Yeah, nah, bro. And you got the app on your phone. You see where the shit is going. Like,
but see, now it's not reversed because I can't be like, yo, I'm going to send a drone to your house to get this weed. They're like, nigga, you thought. Nigga see the drone come, it's like. I think you shot my drone.
You're like, yo, I'm gonna send it with a drone. Your man's like,
shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Yo, just get in your camera, nigga. Stop fucking playing with me.
Yo, Poppy, just sent me the GPS for your house. Send this drone to your location.
Yo, oh my god. Nah, with me? No, I'm not taking weed from a drone. By the way, like I understand the convenience of it.
You'll take weed from the butthole of a young Latino driving a Honda CRX.
Old Merrill Wood. Now New Merrill's on
New
some
Merrill?
like
Dispensary Merrill.
Dispensary Merrill. You feel me? Like we on some like we get California weed and shit. Like niggas send the shit in the mail. It feels totally legal.
Yeah.
I'm like, if I pick up a pile of packages off my fucking front steps, nigga, and it's like sneakers, kids' clothes, fucking blanket, weed, DVD. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, nigga, this shit is legal.
Yeah.
Like, this shit came with my novel, nigga. Like, come on, give me a break. It's fucking weed, nigga. Damn. It's just about to be legal in Jersey in like fucking 3 days.
Is it? I thought they said no.
They said no, and then the governor was like, "Nah, fuck that, nigga. This is my shit. This is my Obamacare, nigga. I'm legalizing weed in Jersey. Fuck y'all." And everybody's like, "All right, cool," except for like the weird southern part of Jersey that's like connected to PA, and they were like wild rednecky.
I mean,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like why wouldn't you want weed?
Why wouldn't you want weed? Even the MAGA niggas, like the prosciutto smoke weed and shit. Like I was mad surprised. I was like, "Oh, you niggas smoke weed too?" So yeah, bro, you smoke a little pot, You do fucking coke all night. What the fuck you gonna do? You do smoke a little pot, before you go to bed so you can sleep.
But they smoke like roaches. They smoke like joints. Jays.
They smoke Jays.
They smoke Jays.
With the little filter.
All right, they're not smoking baby dicks like me. All right, I'm out here smoking unicorn
You know what I'm saying?
unicorn horns.
Nigga, my shit look like a fucking Fred Flintstone's club, nigga, when I like this shit.
Like you see me with a zebra toenail in my mouth. Like, yeah. Do zebras have toenails? No, they have hoofs. Yeah. Do people eat zebra?
We should slit that shit. There's mad zebras out there. Every time I see on TV, like, and in every baby book, it's like zebra. You know what I'm saying?
Is zebra meat good?
Or if you're fucking Peppa Pig, you say zebra, which is completely fucking incorrect, B.
Zebra.
It's a Z, nigga. The fuck is a Z, nigga? Is that an alien life form? Fuck out of here, nigga.
ZZ top.
Z, yeah, right? ZZ top. That shit got no swag whatsoever, bro. You might as well cut your fucking beards off, man, and just play one guitar at a time.
They say that zebra is sweeter than beef. We gotta start a Shake Shack that's just zebra meat.
Is zebra meat?
Just straight zebra
that's
meat.
That's the
$28
secret?
a burger. People will pay that. People will pay that. Woo.
I was gonna say Eddie Murphy of Madagascar, but I think it was Chris Rock.
I've never seen Madagascar.
That shit has 80 million parts, bro.
I could see that.
Like,
we'll be in it soon.
Yeah, of course. You know what I'm saying? It would be like the Bronx Rats that somehow escaped onto a ship.
It's like that movie Zootopia.
Oh, yeah.
I thought I saw that, but I forgot. I saw it on a plane from Antigua, and the plane was mad janky, and it had drop-down monitors.
Oh, okay.
So we all had to watch, but they didn't tell. There was like no headphones or anything.
Oh,
so I had to watch.
guess?
Yeah,
You had to lip read?
I had to guess what was going on, and apparently the movie's about like race and shit.
Yeah.
Because I saw it the other day, and I was like, oh wow, this shit is deep as fuck.
Yeah,
I thought it was just. I thought it was about like women animals or some shit.
It's like kids will go and see the shit and be like, animals, and then you're like, oh,
it's about
shit.
like power plays and racial aspects and politics.
Because the predators are like the black people and the prey are like the white people. You know what I'm saying? And then they play those dynamics throughout the movie and shit. It's a lot if you eat a lot of edibles and take your kid to go watch it. It is a lot. Trust me. I was just like, damn, nigga. I was like, did James Baldwin write this? Like,
this shit is some Harlem Renaissance shit.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like, damn, nigga, shit.
It's like inspired by Richard Wright. You're like, damn, shit dark as fuck.
Okay.
To see a lion like, we can't live like this.
We was kings.
Whatever happens to a raisin in the sun. Rawr!
Rawr, nigga!
A Lion King in Harlem.
Yo.
You want that? You want me to write that? Remember, I'm an English major. Made that shit wild depressing.
A Lion King in Harlem.
Simba, the baby's not breathing. Damn.
Oprah definitely financed that shit.
Oh, she'll finance the hell out of it. That should be like, and I gotta be in it.
And Lee Daniels would be like, yo, let me hold some, baby. Hey, what's up, baby?
Not with your hair like that, Lee. Not giving no money to a nigga with a half perm.
Oh.
Nigga was doing the perm and then like fell asleep with the timer.
Yo. Oh, man, that shit's crazy. We were talking about niggas getting canceled earlier, yo. Like, is Dana Sousa canceled?
No.
No? Is he canceled?
Nope.
He's not canceled?
Because most people don't even know who he is.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, how could you get canceled? Niggas gotta find out who you are to then cancel you? Like, that's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Like, fam, like for me to quote unquote cancel somebody, I gotta know who you are.
It's such a weird thing because if you think about it, it sounds like some White Valley Girl thing. It's like, that's canceled.
That's totally canceled.
Like, okay, what does that mean?
Well, okay, so now what?
Okay.
You gonna put the T-shirt down there for?
It's funny, like if they said canceled and like, oh, your checks disappear. And
like
oh shit, oh wow, your car disappears.
Oh my god,
you change. You're
like, pooh, you wake up in a white room
I'm
and like underwear.
Oh no, it's like the end of Avengers when they snapped the face. I was like, man, you got canceled.
Oh my god,
I reach for you, you turn to dust.
See, we listen. We writing an episode of Black Mirror, nigga. It's coming. It's coming. We can't when you get the title of the episode obviously is canceled.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And you get canceled for saying problematic and you wake up and your life is nothing.
But two people cancel each other at the same time.
Oh damn.
Now they're just in the white room together.
Like, you cancel me?
I canceled you.
How?
I canceled you first.
How we both
They got to
canceled?
go into the cancel council.
Cancel council?
And they have to prove who is more due for canceling.
It's whoever has the wokest bio on Twitter.
And they have to, but because it's like in this area of cancellation, you're allowed to have any person ever in the history, because it's outside of the realm of time and space.
True.
So you could get like Abraham Lincoln to defend you,
Yeah.
Nelson Mandela, Hitler.
Oh, shit.
Can't get canceled if you got Hitler as your lawyer.
You feel me?
What if Hitler is a great lawyer?
Wow.
Wow,
I mean, listen,
wow. Because it's cancel world, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Everything's upside down. Dogs marrying cats.
It's
Niggas
wild.
is wearing Adidas pants with
you never
Nikes.
know, you know
Oh,
what I'm
it's
saying?
wild.
Nigga finesse half Europe.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Wow, he did.
you feel me? Like,
Now
he
for
was
nothing,
just
they're gonna look back at what Putin did the same way they looked at Hitler, because
oh, yeah.
Putin got us with a wild April Fool's Day
All
joke.
day, all
Yo,
day.
That nigga cooked us.
He was like,
shout out to you,
yo.
Putin. You could.
He's like, my nigga, look at this.
Got
him.
got
Give me my
it.
gill. Give me my gill. Hold that. I gave him a gill. It is an American thing, but it's Russian now because I take over America. Thank you.
He's got to look at every time. He's got to crack up every time he sees Trump,
Bruh,
He
that nigga probably watch Fox News like it's comic view,
That
nigga.
nigga be smoking the wild
Like,
J, like yo, I did that.
Nigga like nigga just looking at Twitter moments like
They give him the phone. They be like, "Sir, it's the president of the United States." He be like, "Yo, Vladimir, is that nigga again?"
yo, who this?
Yo,
Hello, who is this on the line, please?
yeah, gotta speak to Vladimir Putin. This your boy Trumpito.
Who?
Trumpito. What up, Vlad?
Who?
What up, Vlad?
I'm not going to even talk. I'm going to use the soundboard on your ass.
Oh man, sad. Like the was the Dominican people there? Because Trump just met with like I was gonna say the King of Jamaica. That's not what he's
King of
called.
Jamaica. Yo, King of the dance hall.
He just have a beanie man.
Yo, well, I feel like but you know what's wild though? I feel like celebrities in other countries would actually be good presidents, as opposed to Trump. Like, I feel like American celebrities are wild dumb.
Okay, so listen. Shout out to Antigua, because Antigua is a real nigga nation.
Okay, shout out.
Because the Bahamas, Dominican Republic, Haiti, Jamaica, and St. Lucia all met with Donald Trump.
Read that back? Antigua was like, nah, fuck that.
Antigua was like, "No, fuck that. Y'all niggas is weak-minded." He said the weak-minded regional leaders. So shout out to Antigua.
Yo,
I remember that when I come take your island over to start my coup.
Yo, fucking DR, yo, my nigga, yo, listen, that nigga, you better give that nigga Poison Bustelo or some shit.
And Dominican Republic is not even a member of CARICOM. So, like, DR, get your shit together. Like, force them. Look at them. Niggas wasn't even wearing good suits. Come on, man.
Nah, they fucking up.
Sad.
Who all in there? Who all in there?
Who all in there? It's the head of, it's St. Lucia, Haiti, the Bahamas, and DR and Jamaica. Boo.
Oh, damn, y'all fucking
Prime
up.
Minister Andrew Holness, what did it do?
Yo, Danilo, papi.
Okay.
The
Shout out to
flow,
the Prime
the
Minister
flow.
Antigua and Barbuda,
The flow.
Gaston Brown. Sounds like a made up name, but that's his actual name. Fucks with you. Gaston, when I come back to Antigua, let me hold something.
Let me hold something down. You know what I'm saying?
Let me hold something.
We rock with you, B. You know what I'm saying?
I would go back to Carnival, but a lot of people don't realize Carnival is just the same song over and over and
It
over
is,
for
it
like
is,
20
it is.
hours.
Sorry to disappoint y'all.
Listen.
But you're gonna be so fucked up. You're not even gonna care. It's gonna be like Baby Shark, nigga. You're gonna
Oh my God.
love it. It's
You'll
gonna
go
be
through
on a
that
loop.
phase where you're like, oh, what is this song? Then you'll be like,
Sexo, sexo.
oh, Sexo. That was a great song.
Bring wheel up, selector. Bring it back one time.
Oh, man.
Big up Trinidad. Big up Antigua. Big up all of the West Indies.
Can't even find that shit anywhere. What was it? Sexo.
Sexo. I believe you just throwing Sexo Calypso. That should have. Is that what you did?
It was
Sexo Soca? I don't. What was the fucking genre?
Carnival.
Carnival.
It was Carnival, like, you know.
You know what I'm talking. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Yes, remember Sexo. The original Carnival song of Bodega Boys. See, this is the part when I was like, okay, the song is a lot, but then this part right here was like, I was like, okay.
Okay. Oh.
And you're like, all right, this is annoying. They're just repeating words. And it was like, all right, we about to switch it up on you.
Oh, check it out. You ready? You ready?
Move it like a snake when you have your limits. Every time dick, have you looking at it. When you're with your friends, even when you're alone.
Woo!
Thing does fly when you get in the zone. You're so close that you're way out of reach.
Wheel up, selector! Wagwan! Oh my God! Wagwan! Wow! All of the big girl, them! All of the big girl, them!
I forgot what a big tune that was.
Big tune, mad tune!
All of a sudden, I'm just transported back to 3 a.m. flying down a dark road with no headlights.
The only sound effect the DJ got is a fucking laser. The fucking dance hall laser. The Transformers.
Nah,
track.
because the truck that was playing this, they had like a live band playing it or some shit. And I was like, wow. And they were jamming. And they were taking like drum solos and shit.
Shout out to y'all, you know
the whole time I was just like, hey guys, this is not safe at all.
You know what I'm saying?
At all. There's a guy with an oven mitt pushing up a power cord.
Facts.
Like that's not how life is supposed to be.
Those are real heroes, B. You know what I'm saying? All my Carnival musicians, you know what I'm saying? Shout
Nah.
out to shout out to all
The real-
West Indies, shout out to DR, you know what I'm saying? You niggas
The
be
real
sitting up there.
hero.
You know what I mean?
The real heroes of Carnival are the old ladies that sell you the bun and cheese. Because you be ready to pass the fuck out. And you see that bun and cheese, that should be glistening, my nigga. You be like, because you like, you look at your watch, you're like, I've been dancing since 3 a.m.
Yo, shout out to homie that sold me the coconut on the side of the road the last time I was in Carnival, my nigga. You saved my life. And that is not an understatement. I'm like, I'm supposed to drink water eventually, right?
No, I don't think I drank water the whole time I was there. All I drank was Rosé and Beck's. It was like, my kidney was like, yo, are y'all serious? My kidney would just close the door. They was like, nah, we doing Brexit. This nigga wildin'. They was like, you're not even gonna even try?
Yo.
It was like, yo, for God's sakes, drink the pool water.
Son,
I was like, nah.
I knew something was up when I got them. My uncle picked me up at the airport. He's mad brolic, but his pot belly is like fucking nigga looks like 12 and a half months pregnant. I'm like, that's the Jack Daniels belly, my G.
Oh my God.
And he jumped in the car and just cracked open the bottle of Jack. I'm like, yo, you can't do that. Nigga's drinking and driving. He's like,
Nah, they don't got no drinking and driving on there.
nigga laughs at my
You'd have to
face.
like crash into like the prime minister's house and then get
Facts.
charged with drinking and
Facts.
driving.
You have to crash into his house and not offer him a drink.
Yeah.
If you crash into his house,
You
and
gotta
try to
crash
bounce,
into his house while he's in the living room and make him spill his drink. You get like the death penalty or some shit. Shit's crazy.
Yo, shit is bananas. Yo, the Knicks are mathematically eliminated from playoffs.
The Knicks have been mathematically eliminated for before the game
quite
season
some time.
started. But
Listen, we coming back. That's it.
I thought it was my stomach. I was like, damn, I should have told Victoria don't bake egg and cheese this morning. It's like, oh man.
I forgot my lactate.
Oh man. Yo, fam, I took Lactate yesterday because I went to Chipotle, had half a Chipotle bowl, and my stomach was like, yo, fam, are you wilding?
Fam.
There was like, in your big age, you don't know you're lactose intolerant?
Dog.
Stomach came out and beat me with a slap. Oh man.
I did a triple. I ate a cheese hot dog
Oof.
with cheese fry, like sloppy Joe cheese fries with like cheese sauce. Sloppy
Half of
Joe,
me is like, why would you
and
do
then
that?
Mexican
And the other
cheese.
half of me is like, I know exactly why.
Yeah, exactly why.
Yeah, you be on Seamless and be like, French fries. Oh, you want cheese fries?
Yeah.
And then you have the bad
Additional options.
You got the devil on your shoulder, like, do it, nigga.
Do it, nigga.
Do it,
do it,
nigga.
nigga. Fuck, nigga. Your pancreas is ass.
And on your right side where your angel should be, there's nobody.
That nigga's in the bathroom like, yo, what are y'all talking about?
The devil's like, nah, kill that nigga. Or them cheese fries. Cheese fries are great
Oh, they're delicious.
until it's time to return the sender, and then it's just like, wow.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
A little bit of water from the toilet splashes up on your butthole and makes the sizzling noise like butthole be feeling like a White Castle's grill. You ever be too weak to grab toilet paper? You just be like,
No.
looking like Jordan at the end of the food game. Nigga, if you take a shit and you sweating, you gotta change your
shit
diet.
is serious, bro.
Yeah, you think getting naked's gonna help?
Yeah.
You
eat all
like
that cheese
you
and
taking
shit.
off clothes and shit. You like,
Oh, nah. Turn on the cold water in the shower.
yeah,
Like, I'm jumping right in this shit as soon as I'm done. Yo.
sitting there like, I think I'm done.
Yo.
But it feels like this is more.
Yeah, your butthole's like,
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
nigga, we here for 2 hours, nigga. Focus up. You know what I'm saying? We get ready.
Or worse, when you just like, I gotta take a regular shit. Then you get there and your butt be like, what? Like, yo.
I'm like, how did she get on the back of the bowl?
You like, you're like, yo.
What the fuck?
Physics, it don't even work like the fuck. I gotta wipe my front now? Yo.
That's big facts, bro.
Yo.
Oh my god.
Do you have not a squatty, well, they have a squatty
The
potty?
squatty potty, yeah.
I have a bamboo one.
I'm mad fucking finagle bagel guy, so I
Yeah.
just use the stool, my step stool as a squatty potty.
You got the actual one? Change it, yo.
Shit,
You be
like,
feeling like an intellectual. You be like with your legs up in the air, like,
You know what I'm saying? Like the thinker?
Yeah.
shit like,
Cause at first you feel dumb, and you know, like if you don't, you gotta practice so you don't want to fall off. In other words, to fall off the toilet while you taking a shit.
oh no.
You fall off, now there's shit on the side of the toilet, like
on your thigh, nigga. Oh.
it's on the bathroom rug. It's on your hand. You gotta like grab the paper towel without getting. You're like, wow, this is a lot of doodle talk.
This is
on
quite
there.
embarrassing.
A lot of doodle talk. Do you know the New York City law? If you have a dog, you're not allowed to like pick up its scoop and throw the garbage in a regular trash bag.
You guys take it home and throw it in your trash?
You're supposed to take it home and flush it.
What? But it's in a plastic bag.
Well, I mean, when they made the law, it was probably like 1800, and there was like 2 dogs. Like,
Like I know. Listen, I know that you're not supposed
who the
to
fuck
flush
is? No, okay, listen. I love dogs. Ain't nobody I'm not walking my dog and taking the litter back and flushing it. Like he's not human.
You're not wilding. You're
Fuck
not wilding.
that.
We walk 10 blocks.
My new shit is they're building like the wild gentrification building on the top of the end of my block. So what I do is I bag up the dog shit and I roof it.
Yeah, you gotta roof it. Yeah.
So
Yeah, when
shout
I
out to
look-
those construction
you know
workers.
what
They're
I'm
like,
saying?
DJ, what is this?
Yo, if you ever picked up mad bags of shit off the Cross Bronx, it was you boy.
Just tossing them. Like, yeah.
I'm trying to test my arm strength with these shits. Like, yo, how far can I get this shit? I'm trying to hit 18 wheelers and shit.
Nah, they got all these like pick up after your dog boxes in my neighborhood. I was like, oh, keeping it clean. And niggas do not use it. And some of y'all got big ass dogs, and we know it's your dog.
Yo, that's why I want to fucking shout out the sanitation department, because you know those are the niggas that gotta empty those boxes at the end of the day. A box full of dog shit, nigga.
Yeah, sanitation.
Damn.
I guess if you get used to it, it's cool. Like, it's a good job, great benefits, get paid.
Retired dumb early.
But that first time, some of that garbage water splashing in your mouth. Hey Martinez, look out! I'm throwing the dress, and you're like, what? And it's like
What?
slow motion. It's like in your mouth, a full cup of it. Like yeah.
You swallow this shit too, like, like oh no.
Because I remember when my father was a landlord, I'd have to sort people's garbage. Because if you don't sort the garbage, if you put cans in the regular garbage, you get like the wild ticket. So I'd have to go through the garbage for a 8-family apartment building. And the first thing I noticed, everyone cooks rice. I don't know what the fuck that's about.
Yeah.
People love to they cook rice and they make too much and they put it in the garbage. With diapers. I don't know why. Why do we
Rice
gotta
and
do
diapers.
this? Rice and diapers. Rice and diapers. Now I'm going through it with my gloves, looking for cans. And then one day I was like, nah, I'm not doing it. Got a $400 ticket the next day.
You know what you gotta
Someone
do?
put like some Goya cans.
My uncle made me do that shit too. You gotta pick up the bag and just slam it on the ground. And if I don't hear metal in that shit, I just used to throw it in the
Nah,
fucking thing.
you gotta
I was
open
like,
it.
Fuck that shit.
The sanitation, because I was like, why is sanitation going so hard? But apparently my father had like written some angry letter or some shit. So the sanitation worker was coming and opening the trash cans and going through the trash bags looking for cans.
Yo.
I was like, wow.
Y'all are doing a lot.
But here's the reverse. When I used to take care of my family's house, and we got a sanitation ticket, and then I was like, nah, fuck this, never happening again. Saturday morning, I up buying sneakers, and I hear the garbage truck, and I'm like, oh shit, and I run outside to make sure, because I know the sanitation
Right.
cop is coming, and there's like a big piece of cardboard in front of the house, and I go and pick it up, and your man gets out the house, gets out the car, I was like, oh shit, Jesus, you live here? I was like, yeah, y'all niggas be giving me wild OD tickets and shit. He was like, nah, I got you, fam. Don't worry, you ain't never get no tickets no more. I was like,
Oh, thank you.
thank you.
Oh,
So,
man.
shout out to crooked sanitation workers.
You know what I'm saying?
who have YouTube, I
Shout out
guess.
to y'all. You know what I mean?
Sounds kind of righteous to me.
Gang shit. You know what I'm saying?
You know, if any other union employees, if any firefighters or something want to give me the hookup, you know, tell me the real number if my house is on fire, because I know that 911 is a
Yeah,
scam.
like the direct shit to the firehouse.
It's like 914.
You know what I'm saying? Let me know when I got to put my Christmas tree out. Shit like that. You feel me? Like if I could.
Yo,
throw out
my
whole
neighbor
couch
still
at the
has
same
her
time.
Christmas tree on the balcony.
My sister still has a Christmas tree up. I
Wow.
mean, it's fake. It's fake. So, but it's
okay.
like,
But I mean, you know what? Like, who's really gonna tell Ingrid what to do?
exactly.
So
I
you know,
tried. I tried it.
Shout to Ingrid.
You know what I'm saying? I
Shout out to
tried
Ingrid,
it.
a true queen. You keep your Christmas tree up as long as you want. Okay?
I tried it. She's like, nigga, it's a decoration now. I took all the ornaments off. Like I was just like, okay, let's go get frozen yogurt.
Oh my god! Shout out to Ingrid. When I saw her at the premiere party, she was like, "Nigga, you're not gonna say hi." I was like, "Oh wow, okay, hi." Oh hi. Oh, wow. Hello, Ingrid.
Fam, we go to get frozen yogurt, and the frozen yogurt place is right next to where she gets her eyebrows done.
How wholesome is that? Miro and his sister go get frozen
You know
yogurt.
what I'm saying?
Aw.
Shout out to my little
This
sister.
fucking
Ingrid, you know what I'm saying?
telenovela.
I love you. So we go get the froyo, and then she's
It's a
just like,
froyo.
yeah, you know what
Wow.
I'm saying? Out here,
The level up.
So serve, you know, feel me? I put gummy bears, chocolate, all that shit. I was mass pack.
Wait, aren't you? Wait, frozen yogurt's not. You can so fuck with it if you're
I had
lactose
lactate.
intolerant?
I had
Oh,
lactate
okay.
in her crib. Yeah.
It has milk in it though.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, it's yogurt. Duh.
Yeah, but then fucking, she's like, "Oh, I'm just gonna get my eyebrows done real quick," and I'm thinking it's like wax, so it's just like boom, boom, swip, and we out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Nah, fam.
What you got? Threading or
The
sugar?
fucking threading,
Woo!
nigga. I was just there like,
Wow.
wow.
Does it look like niggas is playing the? It look like threading is basically double dutch for your eyebrows.
I'm like,
So it
yo,
is.
for real?
Niggas is like,
I'm sitting in front of the place looking like a wild creep. All the shorties in there like, who is this nigga? She's like, that's my brother. He's waiting for me.
that's even creeper.
I was like,
That's
no.
even
I was
creepier.
like, I'm not waiting for you, nigga. Give me the keys. I'm going home.
You can't. There's got to be an age limit for doing shit with your siblings. Like if your sibling is of another gender,
Listen, if your sibling is Ingrid, you do whatever the fuck she wants. You understand me?
she's like, you do what you want when you're popping.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, but you can't like.
I'd be like, yo, Ingrid, I don't want to do that. She'd be like, nigga, sit the fuck down.
Wow.
You doing what I want. I'm like, okay.
All right,
You got it. 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 You know?
I'm pussy.
Hey,
I'm pussy.
Yo, hey, you ain't got to do all that.
Swift it.
You ain't got to do all that. And she hit me with the, yo, can you get me the Concords or whatever? Like, I know you be plugged in or whatever. And then she pulled up with them shits last time we hung out. And she was just like, my sneakers is dope. I was like, oh, shit, those shits are hard. And she's like, yeah, nigga, I bought them.
Wow.
I
In your
was-
face. In your face. How you feel?
I was just like, yo. But
I made an attempt.
I sent an email and
Not good enough, nigga.
they were not available in this. I did the right question. Like,
This nigga dying.
yo.
Damn.
Son. I got you next time. No, I got you next time. Don't worry. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, we need to design our own sneakers. Because
We do.
Big Baller Brand went out of
fell
business.
off. They fell off.
So
yeah.
we coming out with Big Bodega. Let's
Big
just buy
Bodega brand.
Just buy Big Baller Brand. We turn a Big Bodega Brand.
Boom.
Yeah.
Done. Logo ready. Everything
Big Bodega
ready.
balls.
Ah,
yeah.
you know what
we
I'm
got
saying?
3 models. We got the for the hardworking dads, we got the Miro.
Yes. You know what I'm
For the
saying?
runners, we got the Jesus.
You feel me?
And for my intellectuals, we got the V100s,
Oh,
the Vicks.
my God.
Yeah, woo, with the real natural hair cut out
You
in
know
the
what I'm
back.
saying?
It's gonna be hard bottoms.
The V-Loans.
Yes.
no,
No, whoa.
I would be over there.
We are not affiliated with V-Loan. Okay, that is not us. All right. Okay, no. All right, a lot of y'all like, but that nigga look like you, Jesus. I'm like, no. But yes, the Victor shoes are basically hard bottoms, but instead of hard bottoms, they have like the Vapor Max bubbles.
Yeah.
So there's like,
Nice.
they're like a penny loafer with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a Cole Haan. I'm
Yeah.
a Cole Haan Lunagram.
Yeah.
Lunar Lon Gohan? Lunar Han?
My sneaker
That's
is
like your
just
technology. So I'm with it.
my sneaker is just a Chelsea boot made out of foam posit. You never know if you gotta square up at brunch and shit. Like, yo, what's up?
Yo.
What's up? Drop 100 on you after I eat these eggs, nigga.
you saying?
But if you don't mind, I gotta swag surf first.
My shit is a house shoe, nigga, with a sneaker that slips on top for when you gotta
Nigga got fear of God house shoes.
when you gotta get out the house and shit. Like, oh, let me just sleep my
Oh,
sneakers on real
shit.
quick. Bye bye.
They'll be like, yo, they're the first self-lacing house shoes.
Oh my god.
They're also the first house shoe someone kill somebody. Like they're gonna arrest a Dominican mother. She's like, it was a house shoe. I threw it.
I threw it.
The child died from blunt force trauma.
She got cleats at the bottom for no reason.
They're like, why would you put? It has GPS technology to always hit the kid. Throw that shit around the corner and shit.
Pow! Oh shit! Damn, yeah, nigga.
Nike,
Homework first, then Pokemon. Stupid.
Nike's gonna do the wild motivational video. They're gonna be like,
Fuck them kids.
they said we was crazy. Oh, fuck them kids. It's just like, just mad mothers like, fuck them kids. Fuck them kids.
Just man, fucking
Fuck them kids.
diverse moms and shit.
Fuck
like,
them kids.
Man, ages and shit just flashing.
Fuck them kids. Fuck them kids. Fuck them kids. Fuck them kids.
You pan out, so that mad mom's like, fuck them kids.
But all the moms, when the drone zooms out,
It's just one mom.
no, it's Michael Jordan's face. It's like the new Air Jordan 1.
Smoking a cigar.
Smoking a cigar. You fuck all them kids.
I was like, oh, I was wondering what that circle was. Oh, that's his hoop earring. Okay. Why y'all all wearing silver?
I was like, wow, there's a lot of bootcut jeans in this. That's right.
You know what I'm saying? We out here, nigga.
Yo, Jordan still got the earring in?
Yeah, he's not giving up on that shit.
To this day,
You feel me?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? He's not,
Nah, when you reach a certain amount of money as a black man, you have to get a hoop earring.
that's it.
You have to. It's the Ed Bradley rule, baby. Wait till I come in. I'm gonna go full out. I'm getting 2 hoop earrings.
Yep.
Maybe the hoop
The
piercing
shit
in the nose
yeah.
and the big nipples.
You just got to make sure that you don't get the one that has like the spikes on the end, because if it goes lopsided, it looks wild goofy. You gotta get like the full circle.
I'm getting the big circle, the X Clan shit.
Yeah,
I want to look like a sexy bull.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to look like a
like,
black
yo.
guy that if you saw me, you were like, he's either gay and into leather play or he's definitely dates white women. Like that kind of shit.
Niggas will be like, yo, what's your sign? You'd be like, hello.
Just see
hello.
me getting in an Uber in a leather harness. You're like, makes sense. But like on a Tuesday, you're like, Jesus, it's 7 o'clock. I was like, I know. I'm running late.
You smoking a blunt this man resin on the end of the shit?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
like, oh, I ran that weed. No, I did. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Shout out to weed.
Shout out to weed.
You know what I'm saying?
Have they come out with any new drugs lately?
Yeah. What was this shit? Croca? Was it Croca?
Nah, those are made up. That's
been
not
around
real.
for a while. The zombie joint?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not. No, those aren't.
they may
Okay,
have that.
we're talking about fun drugs, not
Fun?
drugs that make you rip your face off or whatever.
Was it caca? Like just like some shit that makes
do
you...
these even sound like real drugs?
I know.
These when you played Drug War
Yeah,
on your
it's no
BlackBerry,
caca.
there was no caca.
No, it was definitely
when
not
you bought
caca.
your 4 or 5 and ran to Brooklyn to sell your Valium.
So your Valium? that shit was mad cheap. You know
How
what I'm
do-
saying? You gotta work your way up to heroin.
How do you work? Like how do you get started on heroin?
Listen, I don't know.
Do you get a dope? Is it like the opioids and then like you can't get the opioids anymore, so you start fucking with the dog food?
Let's call literally any freestyle artist. No, but I think that's what it is. Like niggas prescribe you like Percocet and Oxycontin and shit, and then you're like, oh, my prescription ran out, and then niggas are like,
Nah, I'm not refilling it.
oh,
start fucking with them hot bags.
it's dog food.
There was a
Dog food time.
guy on 125th Street yesterday. Shout out to 125th Street. And he was doing the dope feed nod with his phone in his hand, Beats by Dre headphones on,
What?
and a book bag. He clearly was coming from work, but he had just gotten right. And he did the full bend over.
Oh,
And I was
90
standing
degrees?
there, full bend over in front of the IHOP. So you know,
Nigga said,
shit,
bend
you
over, bend over, bend over. Dog food, dog
way.
food.
And I was just watching him because I was like, you know, is someone gonna steal his phone? Is someone gonna take his Beats by? Does he need help? And after 2 minutes, I was like, nigga, I got places to go.
And like, fam, I
You
can't
gotta
sit-
hurry this nod up, my
Yo,
nigga.
fam, I can't sit here and watch you for 25
Like, yo,
minutes.
this is not the most intellectual show. Like, my show comes out tonight, which is a lot better. But no, he didn't. He did not fall. He didn't drop his phone. No one bought the other fiends respected him.
That's
I guess.
time, bro.
I guess it's a fiend code. Like if I'm a fiend and you're a fiend and I see you nod out, I'm not gonna like take your chains.
it's like
and
yo,
shit.
you gotta live.
Because if I nod out, I want you to take care of me.
exactly, it's the golden dope rule.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? The golden,
Damn.
the golden rule of hot bags.
Each one fiend one. Wow. Damn.
Yo, niggas is
No, you know what's really cute though? When you see two dope fiends that are like friends.
Yeah.
But and especially if they're like black and white and shit, they're like, yeah, and they get like a rock and
come on, bro.
Yo.
Come on, you're my nigga. You let me say that, right? Yeah, we're friends. Yeah.
wow, it just dawned on me. Every dope, basically, there's just mad versions of us as dope fiends. There are mad bodega boy dope fiends,
Absolutely.
and they ain't.
And that's what they fuck with us on, because at Full Timon, niggas is like, Papi, I love you, Papi.
I love you.
Yo, I feel so funny. You say everything I want to say, you know what I'm saying, Papi? Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
God. Them niggas is on Showtime with a whole different type of Showtime.
Niggas is on blow time, nigga.
Niggas say, I have like today I meet Devin Evans. How do I look?
Yo, look.
Look.
What about the scars? I keep
Don't worry
picking at
about
it.
that.
I keep picking at it.
Hey, we're on Showtime now. Hey, Brittany, you bitch, you be Julia. Ask me questions.
Yo, you gotta go.
They're gonna have a title card written with feces. Nigga in the Wild Cheap Motel, like,
Yo.
room tone.
Oh, shit. Dog food boys.
Oh, shit. Nigga's like, I said room tone. Nigga's just like,
Yo, you got it, Papi. It's sparking. It's sparking.
oh, shit.
Yo. Shout out to niggas smoking grills. I never smoked grills in my life. I mean, I feel like I may have freebased.
I can't say that with 100% certainty.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like it depends on what you consider crack. Like, if you actually go and cop crack and put it in a crack.
What you consider crack?
If you cop. If
All
you
right,
go,
this congressional hearing is taking a turn.
if you go to a crack establishment, purchase crack, knowing that it is crack.
I feel like AOC at a congressional thing. I was like, first of all, a crack establishment is not where you purchase crack, Mr. Martinez. Where are you getting crack at?
Oh, crack house. I apologize.
Please use the vernacular used in the streets.
I apologize, madam.
Where
for
are you
that- for that
purchasing your dope
transgression.
food at?
My dog food is being purchased at Mitchell houses. I apologize for my transgressions. Like crack to me is like, yo, you copping crack, nigga. You
Right.
cop the red top, you put that shit in the glass dick, and you smoke that shit. I've thrown cocaine in the blunt before, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just like, yo, I
Sometimes
got
a nigga, you gotta get right. Sometimes you gotta smoke a woo.
Nah, not even that, fam. It's like, yo, I had 10 bags, I off 7. These 3 I'm not getting on the train on because there's police on the train, and I'm wild paranoid. So I'm gonna just throw all of these in this blunt and see what happens.
All right, I can't condone that. Can't condone that at all. That's not.
Don't do that. Richard Pryor did that. He lit himself on fire.
But he also made funny movies, so
Also that.
You know?
So maybe try it.
But that was back in the day where like SNL sketches where basically he'd be like chicken, and then someone else would be like nigger. And you're like, this is a sketch. What the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Like Dan Aykroyd or some shit.
I think we still have the cone head on and shit. They be like, nigger.
Like, this did not age well at all. Yeah. Shout out to SNL. We're gonna be hosting next month.
Yeah.
The musical guest is Bjork.
Letter S, as in Sam, N as in Natalie, L as in Lafayette, because some people like to include an ampersand in between S and L, and that is completely incorrect.
Wait, did you just like spell it out like you were in the call center?
Yes.
S isn't.
You know why? Because I keep having to call in and tell the cops that my car's parked on the street because there's no street parking. You have to park in your driveway or your garage.
Why don't you just run for office and change shit in Jersey?
I probably could. When
Because a lot of shit don't make no sense.
Yeah,
like what's the deal with the not pumping your own gas? What's
That's just convenient.
to who?
That shit is just like super convenient in the winter. Because like you get out and they're like, yo, fam, what the fuck are you doing?
But why can't you pump your own gas? Like what's the?
I don't know. It's just a thing.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not mad at it. You know what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
like if you listen, there's that gas station when you come off the thing,
Nope.
the Deegan to get to the
Nope.
fucking and you on 149th over there. That's right around your way. You know what I'm
The
saying?
gas station 149th?
Not 149th, but you get off the Deegan, and it's like some flower shit. I remember everything by like buildings and graffiti, not by actual streets. But there's like a florist or whatever, and then my man Cypher got to fill in there. You go up the block, and there's like a big ass Hess. And
This
then
is
there's more
why
graffiti on the wall.
they're never gonna do a Bronx version of Waze, because these directions are so fucking convoluted. Turn left at the Waze at the Scythe tag.
But no,
Turn right here where Merrill once smoked crack.
Yo, that fucking what do you call it? That gas station is wild treacherous, and I wouldn't even want to be out there at 3 a.m. pumping my own gas, because niggas will get you out there, bro.
I mean, you know,
Niggas will get you.
if niggas get you, niggas gonna get you if it's your time.
You know what I'm saying?
Saying, but you know, as long as you keep a good, honest heart and a good relationship with Christ, you should be okay. When I pump my gas, I just yell out, "I am protected by the blood of Jesus, Jesus, Jesus!" And everyone just leaves me alone.
That Dominican nigga pull up with a machete like,
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
"Give me your fucking wallet. I seen you on Showtime."
Jesus, Jesus! And I start throwing ketchup on myself. No, there's a gas station I go to all the time. It'd be like mad taxi drivers and shit.
Oh.
Cab drivers, because I said taxi drivers like it's 1980.
Like,
Whoa.
you talking to me?
Hey. But that gas station is wild, because that's where they take their breaks, and that gas station owner lets them use the bathroom, and they be in there talking wild about America and having arguments about shit. I'm just like, yo, I'm just trying to get my beer, yo.
Yo, that's all, man.
Because also that's where I think the 42 bus terminates or something.
Oh,
and so the bus drivers come in there and play lotto. So you can't buy beer at like 7 p.m. because every black person in the Bronx is buying lotto tickets, which is a big scam. Y'all people need to stop. Stop buying lotto
It's a
tickets.
scam.
I used to buy lotto tickets. Let me tell you, you never win enough to justify buying lotto tickets.
Because you'll hit a lick and win $500, and you'll be like,
I've never even won that much.
I won $500 because my aunt won $1,500 one time, but I'm like, Titi, you've spent like $5,000 in lotto tickets this month.
Just this month. Just this month.
So you are not even breaking even.
And they be like, yo, Powerball is 820 million. People are like, yo, I'm gonna play this time. It's like, well, why don't you play when it was 20 million? You had the same chances.
Your odds were, you know what I'm saying?
Like, if anything, you had better chances.
better
right?
odds, you know what I'm saying? Because niggas ain't playing for no 20 million.
And the worst part is, at this gas station, the Poppy always goes, "Oh, this is the lucky ticket." Every time someone buys a ticket.
So
And I'm like, yo,
ticket.
y'all
Thanks a
can't all have the lucky ticket.
lot. Stop.
Y'all know that, right? What's wrong with y'all niggas?
Fucking fucking child. Yo.
Hey, look, this nigga got money. Let's rob him. I was like, nah, that's not me. That's not me. That's Jesus on Showtime. That's not me.
Not me, nigga.
Okay, I'm looking. I'm ashy now. Okay, look at my sneakers. This is talking at the bottom.
Yo, we broke, baby.
I'm broke, baby. I'm pop. I don't got it.
I don't got it, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Then I hop in the SUV just to go get ramen.
Nigga order an Uber XL to go 3 blocks.
Why you making it hot? Nothing funny, because they always have like the cabs, like at 125th Street by the Trace. They're like, yo, you need a cab? And I'm just saying, I'm like,
No.
my app
Yeah.
provides a car
Yeah, sorry.
that does not have hypodermic needles in the back.
Also, yeah,
Okay,
yeah. They're in the back and you're in the front.
Do you even have a license?
Yeah. Shouldn't it be, if you do have a license, shouldn't it be pasted to this bulletproof
Matter of fact,
partition?
I'm calling the cops.
Yeah.
I call the cops to get my ass beat. Whoa. You think you're a white woman? What are you doing?
What? Hey,
Oh, you can't call the cops. You something.
hey, what's going on with you, pal?
So sad. Is there surgery where I could become a white woman?
Oh,
That's
man.
like-
Damn, I almost really ripped off the wild problematic.
I know you did. Is there a movie? Should we make a movie about that?
Yeah, that you become a white woman?
I'll become a white woman to get into college.
Didn't they do the Michael Jackson movie already? Yeah.
You're ignorant. You're ignorant.
Stop.
You're ignorant.
You're ignorant.
I'm gonna go climb a tree.
Stop.
Yeah, Scarlett Johansson can play me.
Yo.
How good would that movie be? Like she just be in the hood and shit.
Is she popping? Like, what's the most popping? Annie Kendrick. What do we get Annie Kendrick to play?
Oh, like a Freaky Friday and Andrew Ken. We switch lives.
Yo.
And Andrew Ken gotta like collect all my drug debts and shit.
Yo.
She ride around with the big gun.
Yeah,
the
like
big glizzy.
Halfway through the day, she's like, "Why do I have the overwhelming fucking urge to smoke marijuana? What's going on?"
She's like, yo, just calling niggas like, yo, if the big Drick has to come through,
Yo,
you don't want that.
I'll tell you something, B.
You don't want
You know what I'm
that.
saying?
All right.
It's Kendrick and
You don't
know
want
what I'm
to. You don't want to come home. And Andrew Kendrick is sitting in the dark in your living room
Oh,
waiting
man.
for you.
5'2", mad menacing.
What's up?
You know what I'm saying?
Just hear her stacking the cups.
Yeah, yeah.
oh.
And then you just hear her in the silence. You know what I'm saying? And you terrified, you urinate yourself. And she's like, "Ew, you peed yourself.
In front of your kids, wow.
You can't sit with us." Oh, was she a Mean Girl? She wasn't a Mean Girls. What the fuck am I talking
I
about?
don't-
Kendrick?
Yeah, she wasn't a Mean Girls, right?
Nah,
No.
that was Lindsay Lohan and Rachel McAdams.
Wow, Rachel
Wow.
McAdams.
That's a.
Don't forget Lizzie Kaplan, who was the mean girl.
Oh,
actually,
shit.
she trained Lindsay Lohan.
Didn't she die?
Nah, she was in Party Down.
Yo, when you said Lizzie Catman, I thought
series.
you meant Lizzie Grubman, the shorty that ran mad people over and just skated.
Oh yeah, shout out to her. She
shout
was
out
a
to her.
PR person.
Yeah.
Why can't,
Yeah.
yo, take note, Sherry. Okay,
Yeah, catch a body,
Yo,
Sherry.
catch a body
Yeah.
for the gang, Sherry. You know what I'm saying?
in the Benz SUV. Please,
Lizzie
don't embarrass me in the
Grubman.
sportage.
Yo, she did 38. She
did 38
did 38 days in jail.
Wow.
How many people think she injured?
Wow.
3.
Wow.
16.
Wow.
It was at was it in the Hamptons?
It was.
Had
was
to
in the
be.
Hamptons.
It was.
Of course. I'm like, I could have said.
Security guards asked her to remove her Mercedes from a fire lane. She intentionally drove her father's Mercedes to a crowd of people outside of the Conscious Point Inn in the Hamptons, injuring 16 people.
You know, it's better than driving your Mercedes into 16 people. Driving your father's Mercedes.
Yeah.
To 16 people. What a rich. Let me stop right there.
Wow. Do you know
I
what
love
she
that
said
life.
before she ran them over? Fuck you, white trash. Later, allegations arose that she received special treatment at the hands of the police who did not perform a breathalyzer.
Wow. She's like,
Wow.
Was this like femdom or something?
yo. Wow, that's crazy.
That's wow.
Nigga said breathalyzer.
She had-
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
damn. They had her with 26 counts.
Damn.
She was faced to 8 years, but only got 38 days in jail.
Yo, shout out to fucking Chrissy Yakubi Gucci over
All right.
here.
Did she get out on good behavior or something? Because did she even
Damn.
serve all 38?
God.
She served all 38, and they said that was enough. And she got like 5 years probation. Which is, listen, probation ain't shit unless you live in a wild life. Then
Then probation
increase your
serious.
bar.
Yeah.
Like if you're just a normal person,
You're good on probation.
you're good on probation. You can forget about it. If you out there wilding, probation will catch you on your ass.
If you're a shirtless Hennessy drinker, yeah, you're.
That's how Meek Mill got caught.
Yes, sir.
Dirt bike,
Yeah.
probation.
You know what I'm saying? Bike on 12 o'clock, nigga. Went behind the fucking box.
We getting dirt bikes this summer though?
Nah.
Hell yeah.
Nah, we got to get the those 4-wheel ones that the old black people
The
drive.
ATVs?
Not ATVs.
The T-Rex shits?
Like the T-Rex shits. That
Oh,
the niggas in the hood that get money, they
yeah,
drive.
yeah,
And you're like,
yeah.
damn, this car don't make no sense at
At all.
But
Like this shit is kind of like the same size of a car, so it's hard to park.
it's like a
It's like a
motorcycle car.
It's a tricycle motorcycle.
Let me put on my reading glasses and look this up.
It's literally a tricycle motorcycle.
yeah.
Yeah. But it's like more, I think it's 2-passenger.
Yeah, the Poreless, the Slingshot. It's a 3-wheeled, you know what I'm saying? It's like a 3-wheeled car, you know what I mean? Nah, I think, you know what? We should all get like one Tesla.
One Tesla.
Get one Tesla. Just share it like the episode of Martin.
I just borrow my neighbors and shit, bring it back. He's like, "You leave Dutch guts in my Tesla." I'm like, I think that was these.
I'm running mad electrical cords to your neighbor's house and shit. I'm like, yo, I don't like this shit. Gonna charge up your electricity, but I don't want you to fuck with
yeah,
that shit.
come on, stop
Plug that shit in, all that lights dim. Like, ooh. It's just 50 minutes, y'all. Just sitting
He
in that
told
shit
me
like,
he was like, "Yo, it takes 24 hours to charge this shit on the house
Oh, man.
connection." I was like, "God damn."
yeah, I mean, what are you, a broke boy? Why are you charging in a house connection?
I mean, in case of emergency.
Install the Tesla charger in your house.
Oh, yeah, I mean, if I had a Tesla, I would.
Well, I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying?
Even the website is like,
You know,
house? You using a house?
it's like, nah, you're doing the wrong thing,
Wrong
B.
thing, baby.
You don't even got a surge arrest.
You gotta go to the supercharge. The superchargers will they'll fix you up in half an hour.
Half an hour?
You'll be
Oh,
good to
shit.
go.
Okay.
Good to go.
Okay.
But I don't really need a Tesla. I got Uber. Uber's making more sense. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
I don't want to be parking shit. And then, like, if you hit someone, you gotta get out and like
Yeah,
pay for
talk
the
to
shit.
them.
Oh wow,
Oh,
sorry.
wow.
Wow, that was your only kid. Damn, I feel bad.
Shit,
All right, Victor,
sorry.
cut them a check.
Okay, fuck
Sorry.
it. Matter of fact, here's $500. I'll give you some.
Damn, that's sad because she was kind of hot. I didn't mean for her to die.
Oh.
I want to get to that point where the car just crashes with niggas and you just come out with your checkbook like,
Here, nigga, go.
do
Get
niggas still
outta here.
carry around checkbooks?
I don't have one in my drawer.
Yeah, everyone has I have that and some stamps. I don't know when I'm ever going to use them, but they just there for the
I
emergency.
also have paper clips that I'm never probably ever going to use. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
I have a fresh bottle of Whiteout.
Wow. I got 2 rolls of Scotch tape in a box.
The only thing I could think of to use Whiteout for is like writing on stunner shades. Soldier Boy, tell him. Like, what do you? I'm gonna white out a PDF. Like,
No. Oh, I just put it on my computer. Fuck. Bro, I shouldn't have smoked that weed.
yeah, my
first.
MacBook is actually almost full, so I guess I gotta throw it away and get a new one. Is that how it works?
Start from scratch?
Yeah.
I mean, pretty much, yeah.
But then you look at what you have saved, and it's just like I'm a digital hoarder. So I just have like a folder of just memes.
So just get a terabyte drive and dump it all on there. And,
Nah, because then that's
keep it
like
moving.
that's not. Then you gotta like connect it to this and blah, blah, like I want it all on one thing. You know what it mostly is downloaded Pinot from when we go to hotels that have shitty Wi-Fi connections.
That's why the MacBook that has a stupid touch bar up top, and it was like the new model or whatever.
Yeah.
When I went to get my laptop, the guy was like, "Yo, listen, fam. Like, what are you really gonna do with this shit?" And I was like, "My nigga, can I keep it 100 with you
Stroking off?
you're a fan?" I was like, "I'm watching Pinot,
Yeah.
and might fuck around and download Fruity Loops, which would cause me to download Boot Camp, which will probably crash any other computer. So I need like maximum processing power, and I don't need none of these emojis on my touchpad." And he was like, "I got you, B." And then he got me like the latest model of the last model.
Right.
Yeah, that shit is. Whew, I still got hella gigs on that shit.
Now you not Pinoting it like me, nigga. Nigga, I got the Library of Congress on here. Okay, I got my nigga. Do you sort your porn by metadata?
No. You gotta do a fucking fuck sneaker shopping. You gotta do a Pinot shopping.
Oh, we gonna do that. Bring people back.
He's like, so what do you think is like your hardest, like most rare Pinot scene that you have?
It's like, yo, this is dead stock Midori. Like, oh shit. That's
Then
Jody
it's just like, paching graphic, dead stock Midori, valued at $250,000.
No, what we're gonna do? We're just gonna interview celebrities and we'll ask them what their favorite Pinot scene is, and we watch it with them. We're gonna do that with Issa Rae's coming on the show. Issa
let's
Rae,
do
if
it.
you listed, find your favorite Pinot scene,
and then we're
gonna watch it with you.
You know what I'm saying? And, we'll
And then the
critique
thing is,
it.
we don't have to. Well, Showtime. We can actually show it in the corner, or we
show
can just like pixelate it,
Yeah.
and we're gonna be on a camera on the couch watching it.
Watch
we
it.
get high.
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas get high and watch Pinot with
That's
niggas.
it.
That's the name of our show.
Get high watching Pinot.
Niggas, you see the new episode of Niggas Get High and Watch Pinot with niggas?
What was dude's name? Lawrence, though? End of season 1. Did
Yeah,
they have,
Lawrence.
like an iconic,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd be curious to see what she chooses.
Yes.
I think it'll be very classy, but
Very classy.
impactful.
Actually, what I found
It'll
is
be porn for women.
no. See,
think
that's
so?
what you guys think.
Well, the whole
You think
campaign
it'll
Everyone
be
thinks
West Coast
it's gonna be some
Productions,
nasty
Brian
shit,
Pumper.
some shit though. You can see the track marks and shit.
Oh boy,
Shorty
Nigga
keep
said, yo,
Shorty keep her Jordans on.
Oh, Gape Master 8. Oh,
Every
boy.
now and then you can see. Every now and then you can see the cameraman in the background. Yeah. Okay. You want that kind of Pinot? Huh?
Niggas is using Gape gloves.
You want the Pinot? You want the Pinot where one of the performers stops halfway through and is like, "Yo, someone shut that dog the fuck up." You want Pinot with niggas throwing up gang signs when they nut? Like, yeah, Crenshaw, nigga, nigga, Crip walk to the pussy.
Shorty's getting smashed. She got a ski mask on and a
Like, yo,
bandana.
yo, I got charges. Don't show my face. Shorty get mad when nigga come on her face and show that shit like just pouting like a top, pouting like a kid, like hurry up.
Yo, why you fucking
Hurry
cover
up.
my face, nigga? Ew.
That first drop hits her, she's like, it's like she's playing dodgeball. She's like,
Ew. Should be on the island, like.
she do that look up, like nigga, you finished? Like, ain't gonna be no BTS interview now.
No. She's in the shop. She's going home.
She's mad, throwing all her stuff in her Louis Vuitton bag and get back on the bus. Woo! Shout to them. Oh, shout to Milk Studios. We got lighters, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Lighters.
I think that's a little.
Don't forget, we're bringing. Well, it's not gonna help y'all because by the time this comes out, we'll happen again. But the Benevolent Boys are back. You know what I
That's
mean?
right. We out here.
Bringing back Bodega Bucks
1
Because
p.m.
of-
today.
because of Cash
well, not
App.
today, Friday.
Well, Friday it happened.
Friday, yeah.
So shout out to all the winners that got their money.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you.
We're not allowed legally to say how much money we're giving away, but we are giving away enough money to buy 9 Bugattis,
You feel me? We out here.
but not a market value.
You
Okay.
gotta use Bugatti. I woke
Bugatti.
up and use Bugatti. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think you'd be that amped to wake up in a used Bugatti.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? She got
Like you wake up, you was like mad
got-
amped. You start, they're like, oh, sir, this has flood damage. The transmission's about to go.
There's 6 Newports in the ashtray.
Yeah, it was like, yeah, someone smoked inside, so the value's gone.
Yeah.
Now you imagine that's your everyday car, a used Bugatti and shit.
You pick up a kid from school in a Bugatti.
You gotta go to the fucking Stop and Shop in a Bugatti and shit.
You gotta get gas every 13 minutes.
You go to City Island and shit. Niggas like, oh, I know you tipping for Val. You like,
shit.
I'm parking on the street. Fuck it.
Shit, nah.
Take you 10 minutes to do a fucking U-turn. I'm trying. It's a big car.
Yo, come on, man. Yo, stop. Relax. I'm just fucking trying to do U-pop.
Nigga got mad French fries under the seat.
White Castle boxes. Yo, nigga open the glove boxes, just mad Dunkin' Donuts napkins.
The rear, one of the rear headlights is out, so you just got like red tape on the back
Fuck
and
it,
shit.
yo, you know what I'm saying? For some,
Nigga, fuck the door up, go to the scrapyard, just get a red.
Ew.
Nigga just get like a tan Camry door and replace this shit with mad WD-40 on the side.
Yo, that's a to sell fucking tail light.
It fits.
You right?
It
You right.
fits.
You got a Bugatti, so I mean, I can't really say shit. I'm on a 6 train.
They got the little family stickers on the side and shit. It's like 2 parents, 4 kids, and 2 guns.
Half a brick. Half a brick on a smelly face and a tail. Like, is that a cat? No, that's half a brick of heroin, nigga. Fuck out of here.
How much is a used Bugatti? Wow, near me. I didn't say all that.
Let's find out.
Oh, 1.2 mil
Oh, that's nothing.
for 08?
Oh, wow. That's not a big deal.
That seems very wasteful. That seems very wasteful. You get
$1 million
for 900. You get a 06.
for 900. That's you get a 2006 Bugatti.
If you would like to drive your family around one at a time, like yo, family, we're going to dinner. I'll be back. I'm making 6 trips.
There's absolutely no point in having that car other than to park it in your driveway
Well,
or like on the street.
yeah, you could do a lot more with mil than 1.2 mil. You could
Fam, you could buy
a ground
You
round.
could buy a fucking Benz that flies
Yeah.
for $1 million. Like, what are you niggas doing? And Bugatti's probably gonna be played out in like a year.
You know what the thing is? I don't think a Bugatti could be played out. I think maybe Twitter will say Bugattis is played out.
It's not like
Like, ain't nobody go. If I pull up in a Bugatti, ain't gonna be like, that shit is whack, nigga. Like, nah, that's
fuck
you don't hear comments like that.
I mean, yeah, nah. If you were around some broke niggas, but it's not like timeless. Like you know what I'm saying? You pull up in a Rolls Royce, niggas be like, oh, this nigga pulled up in a Rolls Royce. You know what I'm saying?
the only timeless cars are Dodge Chargers and the 300 Chrysler that looks like a Bentley. I'm sorry, these are the rules. These are the hood rules apply. Because you can pull up in either one
And
of
a
those,
PT Cruiser.
and people be like, "Oh, them shits is clean, boy."
PT Cruiser, you can't pull up in that Dick
You
Tracy
can't.
whip.
You haven't. The PT. Shout out to apparently there's Bodega Hive members that got PT Cruisers. So shout out to y'all. Y'all still out here.
You're still out here, yo. Represent.
Driving those fucking hearse for ventriloquist dummies.
Man, Shane. Man, I'm gonna go to McDonald's, get that 4 for $4, Shane.
Do you remember the Pontiac Aztec?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
It was like, yo, you like camping? Cause we put a tent in your fucking car.
Stupid. And we named it after some Mexican shit, but we spelled it wrong. Wow.
Do celebrities design cars? No.
No.
Should we get on that? We have to because you hate minivans.
I hate minivans.
We have to get a functional car for a big family like you.
Yeah.
Or from a nigga like me that likes to take risks.
Yeah.
So no airbags, no bumpers.
Facts.
It's a real nigga car. No seatbelts. Just hold on to shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just mad handles everywhere. Like, yo, son, yo.
Handles and like.
Yo, I'm about to hit this nigga, so hold on.
And we have like the inflatables or some shit.
Yeah.
If you don't
Not
bump
like
your
real
head.
airbags.
Yeah.
Like put swimmies in the corners and shit. Like just in case you hit your head.
Matter of fact, fuck all that. We're just gonna take regular cars, take the airbags out, and sell them to like the Caribbean because that's how niggas gonna drive it anyway.
That's how we doing it. Niggas don't need airbags. Right, if you drive a car in the Caribbean, like you are just like rolling the dice on your life. Like
True.
niggas don't care.
Matter of fact, instead of an airbag, it's gonna be sponsored by Grace Spices.
Oh yeah.
So it'll just be like a big powder of cock soup.
Word.
Like,
You know what I'm saying? You get the collab money, you know what I'm saying? Get fucking little
But you can pick a flavor. You can have adobo. You can have sazon.
You know what I'm saying? Mix it
you
up.
want.
You feel me? Nigga.
Like I crashed, but I got a meal.
You crash it like the wild plate of Mofongo comes up. Like, I had to keep me nourished while the police arrive. They're not arriving.
in the building.
Yeah. I was like, yo, what this way? I was like, yo.
Oh man,
Yo, Patrick in the building, yo.
young Patrick the God.
You know what I'm saying? I was wild drunk. Nigga put an astronaut helmet on my head. Yo, word to the God. That fusion dance was all his doing.
Oh, I thought that really happened. I was like, what? I was like, what?
That's how nice my son is. You know
I
what
was
I'm
like,
saying?
niggas putting astronaut hats on out here without telling me.
And they neon word.
Shout out to all my niggas out there on the Instagram. Every time a girl posts something, you be like, without me? She like, yo, I'm at the hospital. My mom's is OD sick. You like, without me?
Oh, whoa.
I'm in the bath without me. Yeah. Nasty niggas. Shoot your shot.
Get it.
You gotta.
You have to. You gotta, man. You gotta do what you gotta do, bro. It's summertime. It's getting warm. So now is mating season. Mating season
It's
has
true.
begun.
It's
You know what
true.
I'm saying? First day of spring is mating season.
Get out there.
Do your thing. Listen, I can't participate, but I will coach you.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
He's living vicariously. He's like, yo,
Feel
he
me?
wants you to win.
Win.
He wants you to
You know what I'm
win,
saying? I wanna-
win, no matter what.
Every damn time I don't never give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? So
I actually don't know the words to that song. I don't think
me
most
neither.
people do.
Nobody does.
Everyone knows the win part. Everything after that.
That's it. And then
If someone held a gun to your head-
that's about it.
If someone held a gun to your head and told you you had to recite a DJ Khaled song perfectly, what song would you recite?
Wow. Shit. I don't know his catalog, but I'm fairly certain that there's a song called "We the Best" where he just says "We the Best" over
and over?
Yeah.
It sounds about right.
So I would definitely do that. There's like a 50-50 shot of me getting my brains blown out.
I mean, you had a good run.
You know what I'm saying?
You had an excellent run, and there's no need to stop it now. So fuck it. To the top, right? To the tippy top.
I think we're actually gonna look for DJ Khaled song. I was like, don't do that.
No. Nobody needs to hear that.
We don't need to
Also,
do
that
to
would
our
definitely
listeners.
get like the podcast taken down. He seems like someone who searches for his his tracks.
Like the salsa dancing.
Assad, send that DMCA.
Yo, Assad. Yo, niggas use half an interpolation of my song
Yo,
on
Assad,
their podcast.
send that takedown notice.
That's clownery. You can't do that.
Has the piracy takedown notice come in yet?
I'm the best. Has the Bodega Boys vocals come in yet? You know what I'm saying? What the fuck does Bank of America want? Let's find out.
This thing, that's not Bank of America.
Yeah, Bank of America.
That's a secret hoe TD Bank.
Oh shit! Available balance is mad money, nigga. Ow, yeah.
You shouldn't bank with Bank of America. They do predatory loans to people of color.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
That's why I only have like my weed account there. I
Okay.
moved everything over to City
respect that.
National.
City National, where a kid can't be a kid. City National is a weird bank because you go in there, they got no ATM. It seems
They don't got
it seems like they're laundering money.
Yo, City
You
National.
go in there, they got no tellers, they got no ATM, and then you go. They're like, "What do you want?"
Every.
And I was like, "I have an
fucking
account here." They're like, "No, you don't."
No, you don't.
They was like, "Go outside."
Go, stand outside.
I was like, "What do you?" I was like, "No,
sir,
look,
this is not daytime.
it's not that type of bank."
That's not what we do here.
They're like, "It's not that type of bank." Wink, wink. Get out of here.
So
Amscray.
beat it.
What?
You like
You walk in, everyone like stops what they're doing, put their hand on
Oh,
it. I'm like, what's going
hey,
on?
we're just
So
bank-
doing total normally bank shit.
just banking.
You just hear like a panda groaning in the back, like. And I'm like, nah, I didn't see that. Oh wow, it's bring your dog to work day.
Yeah. Did it leave you?
I'm like, does that say the bricks room?
Yo, shout out to
In there,
City
mad
National
niggas is
Bank.
bagging up and shit. I'm like, he's like, yeah, I mean, if you sign this paper, you know.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, City. I think City National is a great bank. Yeah, you should definitely go with them. There's only one branch in the entire continental United States.
They have an app, but
Shout out to the app
the app is
that I have not downloaded.
the app is a lot. And the app sometimes some of the options they'll be like, how do you want it? Would you like this money in U.S. currency, European currency, Bitcoin, or bricks? And I was like,
What?
I was like,
Like, oh shit, fucking bricks.
and I was like, bricks, and like a voice came out like, why are you making it hot? What do you gain from this?
You should have written T-shirts in the other section.
This is episode 153, right?
Yeah,
Wow.
nigga, we out here.
153.
Yo, shout out to City National Bank, yo. That shit sounds like every like default fake bank in every video game.
Yes. And that's the bank you rob and like.
Ramirez, they're robbing the bank. You have to hold it down. You get there, it's like City National
Say
Bank.
City National Bank.
Spider-Man swinging through there like, yo.
Hey, Hey, Spidey. Nigga web somebody and like, grabs the bag of
why
money
do
for
niggas
them.
get robbed every fucking episode?
Oh man, yo, it's been episode 153. You know what it is?
You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Yeah.
It's your boy DJ Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka
know what I'm
Pocket Stay
saying?
Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go. Yeah, kids love it.
They do.
Still Chris Stats, Personally Dick, Slow Banana, I Know You Bitch, Young Gay
Yeah.
Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rando.
Yo, don't pull up. You might get embarrassed.
Enjoy that chicken. 1994 in Nueva York.
Yeah.
Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC Logan Goompi pulling up from 40. Which is shorty. AKA don't talk to me in Uber pool. I don't know you. Also, I'm not in Uber pool because I have diamond status in Uber.
Yeah.
That apparently doesn't matter. It's some sort of scam Uber's running, but you got me.
There you go.
You got me.
Uber just hit you like, you're my diamond girl.
No, they're basically rewarding you for using Uber more, but they're trying to trick you into using Uber more. I'm like,
Yo, you use Uber so much that we get you to use Uber some more.
it's like, relax.
Like, I don't doubt exhibit.
It's like when you
This is CEO of Uber.
when you buy too much drugs and they start giving you it for free, you're like, all right, I might gotta check my
I
life now.
might have a problem.
The original my plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi and Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Cool, Young Paul, the Goose Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the Cooney, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. KLOK, happy opening day.
Hey, Papi, we're gonna spend it on Diamond.
You know what it is? We're going 163 and and I know there's only 162 games, but I play it a little afterwards.
Yeah.
3 Phone Jones, Zizek Machina, Jake Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute, and a third time Dilute.
Woo!
Also, if you take off the top of the Dr. Bonner's,
Yeah.
the Dr. Bonner's is so thick,
Yeah, you can't even
you gotta
stick a finger in it.
put the Q-tip in and clean the
it's
little
wild.
hole.
$3
Or you're not getting
this
it.
time.
Yeah. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240, because I like my Pinot blurry
Yeah.
and not being able to tell if the performers possibly died, and you Google it and you be
Oh,
like, damn,
shit, damn.
wow.
R.I.P. Charlotte Styles.
Wow,
damn.
shout out to Capri Styles too.
Damn, fuck.
Wow.
Oh, she dead too?
Ooh.
Capri Styles?
I don't think. Oh no,
That'd be mad sad. She had the wild, unfortunate butt tattoo.
Capri Styles.
She got like the Akuma Raging Demon shit tattooed on both her cheeks.
Oh no, she's still alive.
Oh, shout out to her. Hey.
Wow, Google's is messy as fuck. I don't need to know her spouse's name.
Wow!
Like, my nigga.
Yo! Chill! They put that nigga on Blastoise.
All right. Oh yeah, I see the tattoo. Oh, this nigga blowing that shit up. She called away. Wow. Wow. Wasn't ready for all that. DJ Woolite, aka you listen to Wash FM.
Yeah.
All right, I got a special one for y'all.
Oh,
Do y'all
wow.
remember?
Let's hear it. Oh. Yeah.
A little.
When you're living in the hood, just because my pants
Yo.
are sagging doesn't mean I'm up
Yo, I'm an accidental racist.
to know me. I really wish you would.
Yo.
Now my chains are gold, but I'm still misunderstood. I wasn't there when Sherman's march turned the South into firewood.
Wow.
I want you to get paid.
Wow.
Be a slave, I never could. Feel like a newfangled Django dodging invisible.
Wow.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, what was your man LL going through?
Yo, I don't even know.
LL, you didn't have LL. I don't know what the bills were. There was no reason for you to do that song with Brad Paisley.
Brad Paisley.
Like, what did you buy with that?
That's
How
the
big was the check? What did you
wild
gain from that?
Yo, fam. Like the ridicule of the black community. That's all you
It's a
got.
shame. And see, because now they don't respect actual country music. So we're gonna quick shout out to the greatest country song right now.
Yeah, it is the number one country song ever.
Lean all in my blood. Cheated on my baby. You can go and ask me. My life is a movie. Bull riding and boobies. Cowboy hat.
See? Little Nas X, they took him off the
country trap.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
They
Trap.
took him off the Billboard because it was country, but it wasn't the right type of country.
Oh, I see what y'all did.
You know what it is.
Trap tree. Don't
Shame.
y'all don't fuck with the trap tree?
It's a shame. Also, remember they did that to Beyonce's country ass song. Remember this?
Yup.
This is a fucking country song. It's a racism.
Wow.
So the Bodega Boys, we gotta come up
Haters.
with
Country song.
a country song.
Let's just do Cotton Eye Joe.
Where did you come from? Where did
Okay.
you go?
Where did you go?
I don't even think Cotton Eye Joe's a country song. I don't. I think
It's by the Rednecks.
wow. You could do something. Cotton Eye joke. Cotton Eye Yesenia. Where did you go? Y'all
did you-
niggas stupid.
Where did you come from? Where did you go, motherfucker?
The Curry Goat, these Spice, the Jamal Hasper, the Bronson Dion, the Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno you can't
my
contain him,
God.
the Human Meme, where the job, Young Aaron, the Race Provocateur, Henrik Bedcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the Human World is melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decorative, Ricky Tiki Squawi,
Yeah.
Greg Popovich, Morris Sage with Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee Bar, I got the cucumber, the juice of the
Yeah.
press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, the Dun Dada Ganoush, No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Casanova, we make sense, 5, 10, 10, $10. Forget the small change, give me big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. The second catch me at square one, top left man says what?
Yo, Marv, yo.
Chill Rizuda, holy cow. We just saw punks all do is count checks and jerk off. We got
That's right.
OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Oh, hey.
I'm back here. David Yerman, these expensive, these red bottles, these bloody shoes. Joaquin Noah, Andrew Kuhn, and aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, pardon me, Charger.
Sit on it.
Call me
yo.
Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791.
Billy Joe gang.
Aka Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. Your man Dead IDs is morning, Sheriff. Mind if I steal Instapot? I'm gonna make my eggs in 5 minutes. Ding! Mr. Chopping that speed, bad music, I'm easy, please believe in the black Asiatic. Crack your back like automatic craft mat. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a code to me. We're not giving up. La Marina will be open this summer.
That's right.
I don't care if I have to cut the gate myself.
They'll never take our marina.
Sheep mask killer, no one could be iller. The black Zach Morris and poor Morris, aka the human Jerry Curl. Follow the drip,
Oh shit.
aka your problematic bitch.
Smart.
It's not a secret family if you don't support them.
Yo, ow, and
Up next,
Coming to the plate, we have number 33,
my
Jay
God.
Martinez,
Oh my god.
the Kid Miro.
what would your walk-up music be?
Some wild like reggaeton shit just to make all the Connecticut people mad.
I respect it.
It's your boy, the Camera, aka the Human Giraffe Flap, aka Jonathan McDab, aka Curve Gotti. Don't come in my DMs, bitch. I will embarrass you. Aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking Basenji and keep it moving, nigga, because I do not care. Aka I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? So coming up in this club with my shirt off, I don't give a fuck. Aka no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, motherfucker. I was Puss in Boots stunt voice in Shrek 3, nigga. That shit went straight to DVD, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this fucking nigga's fucking wallet out his pocket, B. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? Word to Jerusalem. Yo, word to CC. You know what I'm saying? AK CC Debathia. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm doing dabs in my basement until I pass the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? AK, get into the shmoney and smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? And AKA, you probably ain't noticed, you know what I'm saying, because we went so handily, but Merrill Jr., Merrill 3, and Merrill the 4th were playing the outfield in the later innings of the Yankees opening day game, which we won handily against the bum-ass Orioles, you know what I'm saying? Because you know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, AKA Big Smack Beyond, boy, AKA DA, yo, Maradona, AKA Digging your baby, you know, come with this pussy no more, okay? AKA David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, pow, take that for data. You know what I'm saying? Give me that fucking pick, nigga. Give me Zion or give me death, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
I like that energy.
You know what
I like
I'm
that
saying?
energy.
Need that.
Print the
You know what I'm
t-shirt.
saying? AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. I don't even care. It was a C class, nigga. I got that. You know what I'm saying? Light work. AKA Dominican Dada Deckman Daddy. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids are doing. Okay? Steven. You know what I'm saying? You like your little stop and shop cashier job, Barry? Huh? Huh? Stupid. You know what I'm saying? Then put the fucking honesty in the bag and keep it moving, dog. And use my reusable bags because I care about the environment in the future. I'm down with the Green New Deal, nigga. We getting political. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. I'm so zany. I lick your titties eyelids very sexy on stage, you know what I'm saying? In front of you niggas. I don't care. I got Chelsea boots, nigga. Hook off, I dare you. I'll stomp you the fuck out. Stop it. My shit got elastic on the side. Woo. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Light Nail Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for?
Hit them notes, my nigga.
I can see it in your eye that your broke ass ain't got fine. So get the fuck up out of here, you know what I'm saying? Because I was just telling Chief in the car, niggas used to smoke tray bags from Simpson, but we off that. We cop pounds of better. You know what I'm saying? Allegedly. AKA Tom Brady got my balls deflated more than the football I use in the playoffs, plus Robert Kraft's balls combined. You know what I'm saying? AKA Phil DeAss Tyson consensually. You feel me? I want to explore your cosmos, with your permission.
With consent.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Exactly. AKA Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live, nigga. I did it before Dex. By the way, somebody check on that nigga because he looks hurt. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Messi MVP of Gelato. Let me adjust my motherfucking headphones, nigga.
Uh-oh.
AKA Daniel Bettingfield, you know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? The flagship where P.O. got his illustrious beginnings. You know what I'm saying?
Drop a pin. We'll come through.
Yeah. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I've given up on neurosurgery. You know what I'm saying? I am the only nigga in the Trump cabinet chilling. All these Yakubs are going down like diseased cows that escaped the slaughterhouse.
He's still out there, right? Ben Boston is still
Yes,
chilling.
I'm still out here. I'm still out here cooking, motherfucker. Candy whipping my yams. You know what I'm saying? She got them Hershey fucking kiss nipples, baby.
Ooh, them big joints?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Big brown joints? Yeah.
You know, I'm a nasty nigga.
Ooh, you sucking on them shits?
Oh, yes, baby.
Man, you alright.
Yeah,
You a freaky
you know what I'm
nigga. I
saying?
know you be using them gifted hands.
You
eh?
already know,
Woo.
baby. You know what I'm saying? These glasses is for looking at that pussy, baby. One time for your mind. Hey. AKA, open your fucking madness in the cabinet, nigga, because you know who it is. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabrosa. AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga, man. Come on, listen, man. I ain't take $20 out your purse, baby. I love you, man. Why would I have to do that, man? I was in Hustle and Flow with the perm, man. I won an Oscar. I have money, baby. Come on now, man. You know what I'm saying? I also have a dream catcher do-rag that's worth more than $20. Come on now. AKA Baby Newport 245, AKA Nino Brown, should have caught it down. AKA live from the Burnside Avenue station of the 4 train, continuing the Tremont tour, performing for a 6-pack of Laser. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your Teeth is Bugging and Don't Sick Love. Don't let me lean until I fall on the tracks and perish.
Sir, you're too close to the yellow line. Get back.
I'm sorry. Oh my God,
Sir,
thank you.
get back.
You saved my life. You're my diamond Jesus. Oh, a diamond tease. AKA, you know what I'm saying? Listen, it's episode 153, so you are very well aware of the fact that there's no more rock stars left, mate. It's only 2, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a fronto in my anal just in case.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? I always gotta be prepared. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met my friend since I'm never gonna fail. AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles, browsing tech stocks, and making solid investments. It's Barmelos Anthony
For 3.
Swish in the mutual funds. Listen, man, if you see me at Target with my eyes redder than YG's entire wardrobe, dog, as I finishing a blunt, as I cross into the threshold, approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal, nigga, because I may react erratically. My cubs are trailing me. You know what I'm saying? So please fall back. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Bento the Clown. Happy for your kids' party. I'll show up to your kids' party late. After it's over, and for my grand finale, I'll fall asleep and pee on myself. You're not getting your deposit back, sucker. Peace. AKA, I sold fake lean. It's your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Dayquil Jones, and that's hand squeezed into a 2-liter of flat Fanta. And that's the niggas that you fuck with. God damn. AKA, Hassan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el GTT FIFA, tú sabes que es lo que conmigo. Yo no le paro a nada. No suelte tu jeva, que yo rapo más que una guira. Te la desriengo, mamagüevo. You know what I'm saying? Muchos tienen dema, pero no son de nada. Bájale algo para no darte con el tumba coco. You know what I'm saying? Tengo pila de cajas muertos para la competencia. Ya tú sabes, ponte cloro, bleach, mamagüevo. AKA, ya tú sabes que lo que. Shout out la casa, Showtime, shout out casa. Y como siempre, shout out Lost Me. Y si tú no tienes cuarto, loco, quédate en tu fucking casa comiendo tuna fish, mamagüevo. Shout out fucking Disunai, shout out Vito, shout out Basti, shout out Dewey Lee, shout out Hassan. DJ Hassan es el coño más duro que pone la nota. Shout out Dímelo, shout out Broquete, capitán. Y shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa, Equimero presente con el cañón. Me quité. Ya.
Episode 153, you know what it is. Bodega
You know what I'm
Boys in the
saying?
building, live from the jam room. Shout out to Cash App. Shout out to Bodega Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Bodega Hive in the building. You know what it is. Shout out to Showtime. So check us out. You know what it is. 11 p.m. on Thursdays. Or if you mad smack, watch it on Saturday. Matter of fact, watch it every time it's on. Because every time you watch it on, it's a vote for us.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
We got to go make some more content somewhere. Because you know we're the hardest working boys in the industry.
That's right.
We out.
Peace.
Okay, well, Nipsey Hussle, that's named after Nipsey Russell, the comedian.
Correct, yes.
So talk a little bit about yourself, man. What brings you up here, up and coming, and, you know, how come you're not blinging and having all kind of crazy diamonds and all that? I guess you here to get your money right, huh?
All the time. I mean, you know, all that is cool for the image and all that, but all them is liabilities, you feel me? I'd rather invest in some real estate, you know what I'm saying? Something
Wait, can you repeat that again, man? You're up and coming artist. What did you say you want to do?
I say invest in some assets as opposed to trick off my money on some liabilities like diamonds. You know what I'm saying? Cars that lose value as soon as you drive them off the lot.
So you're trying to get land.
Exactly, homie. A real asset. Take care of my peoples, cause you know it look good, but at the end of the day, you losing value, homie. It ain't appreciating, it's depreciating.